Happy Thursday, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another work from home job lead. I have been reading the comments, and so this one is more for those of you who don't have so much experience. This is entry level. It does look like they will train and that they don't require too much to get in the door. So we'll just dive on in. The company Conduent, they are a transaction processing company. They are hiring a document processor. Now, this is 100% remote in the United States only. They are starting out at $19 an hour. They possibly offer overtime, and this is full-time 40 hours a week. But they are basically looking for someone to be responsible for following up with their vendors and providers and working within their established practices and procedures. So this may require a little bit of phone work. It says that the main responsibilities are to assess the calls to provide service immediately by transferring them or requiring follow-up for client resolution. You'll identify customer needs by referring to case notes and examining each specific case. You'll perform routine call center activities concerning business products and services. You'll use standard scripts and established guidelines. You'll provide customers with information, communicate in a warm and empathetic manner. You'll gather all the information needed to update the database, and you'll explain any company policies to the customers. Now, because you'll be working with the documents and data collection and organization, they do want someone who is familiar with Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, someone who can work well independently, someone who has great organization and communication skills, someone who has great attention to detail, great writing and spelling skills, and is persistent. However, that is all they are requiring. No college degree, no actual experience is required. It says that this is an entry-level position, so it does look like they will train you. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.